Well, if it isn't the office gossip.
Hello sir, what can I help you with?
Well, I have noticed that the production level in this business has gone down, and I think it is because of the distraction that comes into play when you spread your gossip.
Well, sir,
Well, sir, nothing. I have just one question for you.
And that would be?
Do you have any dirt on Julie in marketing and Damon in finance? I ask because Julie is hot, and I really want to get with that.
Well, I heard from Eddie, who heard from Lisa and Kelly, who heard from Julie herself that Damon is rubbish in bed and she is done with him.
Oh, wonderful. This means I have a shot with her then. Don't you think?
I wouldn't go that far, sir. You got a long way to go before you're in Julie's league.